Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a PR pack opening. I haven't actually looked at them yet. I have taken this off just a little bit just to make it easier for me. But this is from the Crafty Rat Designs and I am currently a PR girl for her, and you can use CRD10 Angie and that will get you 10% off minimum £5 order, and that's from her entire shop. So now that I've said that, I'm just gonna dive right in. And I don't remember what is in here or what I got. I do have the little note right here, but I wanna surprise myself. Oh, cute. Okay, so first thing I wanted to let you know is her little, the cellophane here is actually recyclable. So you can actually pop that right into recycling bin, and that's why she uses this adorable sticker. That's just to let you know. Oh, you can hear it has a different sound than other packs. That's because it is recyclable. All right, so the first thing we have here, it's a couple of them. We've got some die cuts. And this is Blanca, and that's Blanca right there too. And what it is Blanca is actually my little PR ratty. So when you use my code, you will get one of these. I think this is the one that's available right now. They're super cute. I love these die cuts. All right, so then we've got some relaxing stickers, which are perfect because I feel like I really need to do some of that right now. And these are hand drawn, if you did not know. She's so super talented. And then we've got this here, and if you don't know, I actually technically failed, so I don't know how we'll use this. I'm sure I'll find a way, but I do want to maybe go back one more time to, you know, continue with training, but I don't know what I'll do, so we'll figure out what I'll do with that. The next one we've got is the winter warmers, or what was that one called? Oh, just motorcycle, of course. So that's called the winter warmers, and you know, she's drinking some hot chocolate. She's got some Christmas baubles, got her Christmas presents. It's perfect, and she's all wrapped up, all snoodled. And we've got another one called working, and this is another one that's perfect for design work, especially on a cooler day. And this is perfect. This was for September. I'm not sure if that's still available, but I say go ahead and check that out. We've got pumpkin, leaf jumping, and then we've got the matching die cut, the matching sticker to that die cut, I should say, and then throwing leaves. And then we also have another one. This was for August, and I'm fairly certain you can still get these because they're so cute. Why wouldn't you, right? So we've got Blanca, and she's reading her stories. We've got Onyx, and she's just munching on some hot chocolate with her marshmallow. We've got Ginger, and she's on top of her books. She's writing, probably her planners, I think. Yeah, definitely planners. And then Rose is just enjoying her hot chocolate on a cool autumn day. And then you've got the larger ones at the bottom. And it's just, they're both super, super cute. All of them, I should say. So that is the lot. I did not use, or rather I will be getting more later, but that was saved for something special, and I will also do a video to let you know what that is. It's a very super exciting release coming from her shop, so I say look out for that. But that's everything. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.